Is that fucked up? I said that?
Yeah. I heard someone yelling. I look over and I'm like, fuck, that flag's up. I think he's gone.
I think he's there. You could probably check it then. Just put it to the side, kind of, then feel for that weight and hit him. There you go. Decent snaker. You take the whole bait? No,
Yep.
not too bad, huh?
He's been caught before.
Got Trevor here, folks.
Ooh, that's a pretty.
Hold him up for the folks here, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, Trevor, folks. We got a flag here. Explorer's finding. Well, stay in tune, folks.
Got him.
Heavy?
Back up. He's in the weeds.
You always get a fishing line.
Took a lot of line on me.
Little guy. He's all wrapped.
It is!
Florida. It's going. What's up, folks? We got another Mr. Trader out here. Brutally cold day. 25-mile-an-hour wind. Temperatures in the negatives. Stay in tune. Further release, folks. Let me know if you need a gas.
I don't even know if he's hooked. Real life. What's a nice one?
Got there, son.
Little northern pike action here. Got Mr. Green.
Giant fish. Little giant fish. We got about a 12-inch bait on here, folks. That's what we like to see, man. Their favorite kind of fight.
I think it's time to hit him.
Heavy?
Yeah, there's some weight coming with me now.
That was practically a double. Hard to see his ass, huh? Oh, you almost have it. show the people at home.
Love you, baby.
Go a little horizontal. Yeah, horizontal. Yeah, look at that, folks. We're out here at the Big D with my nigga P. Well, get some pictures and release this girl for somebody else's fight. Staying tuned. Yeah. So, folks, we got a spinner here. Look at that. Just hit it. A dead bait though. You would assume it's a pikaroo. There he goes. I think I'm missing him. What do you think, Boober? Oh, dead bait. Let me know what you're doing. Still running? Feel big?
It feels decent, yeah. Feels heavier than the normal.
Oh wow, that's a big one, dude.
Decent one.
Oh, we need gas. Back to recording.
Alright, folks, we got a decent one here. He's probably 30, so try to get his head up and have my gas. We got him.
It's a fucking pig, dude.
Yeah, it's a decent one. It's probably 30. Oh.
Right in the corner of the mouth.
She was hooked. That's where you want to hook them, right in the corner of the mouth. Oh, stay tuned for the release. Folks, 31 and a half after we put a tape on her. Not bad. Anybody's book. Oh. We're gonna let this girl go to eat another day. Oh, wrong way, fish. Let her go for somebody else to catch her. Howdy. Slime time, bitches. Stay tuned for the bed. There we go. He's going for the second run now. Got time to hit him.
Got off? Oh, it's a baby.
We call hammer handles. We can bang on head. Was it spinning, folks?
Where are you from?
From Muskego, Waukesha County.
Sure.
Big Muskego.
Yeah.
Oh, Phantom Lake.
Yeah, Phantom Lake, that's Klein. I've lived in St. Louis since I was born. I'm one of the boring guys. Pretty insane. No, my dad sold it cheap enough and I bought it.
So, folks, you got Patrick. You got a nice score on the pike over here. Dead bait once again. The garlic seasoning. But we're gonna get a pick of this girl and let her go to the depths. Stay tuned. See how fat the fucker is. Oh shit, there's one right there. Pat. Pat. We got Queen. What is it? Garlic, salt, and herring.
With my 11 herbs and spices.
Hell yeah. We're out here on the Big D, southern Wisconsin. Hold them horizontal for the foot. Check that pike out, folks. Oh, stay in tune. We got one here, folks. See the spindle going? Starting to move here. Folks. Wonder if I should hit him or not, Pat. What do you think? Kind of not really jetting yet.
It's moving slow.
I only got one hook in him.
Let's give it another second. He moves again, you hit him.
It's a dead bait here, folks. We got the dead, the Patrick Queen's 5 garlic spice trick. Actually been pretty effective.
I think this one didn't have it, but all the other ones did.
There was a nice one on there, but instead of his mouth,
He starts jetting again, I'm gonna fucking stick him. No use of getting too excited here and trying to hurry up and do the hook set. Now he's going to get
Yeah, get him. Hit him. Don't take it easy on him, Brian. Yeah, there you go.
Not a bad one. Here, one deli. Not a giant, but not a bad one. Oh, staying tuned. Came here all the way with his Ford Bronco. What's going on here, buddy?
yeah, a little pike here.
Show him up for the folks there.
28 or so.
Hold him up horizontal for a second.
Caught him on the shiners. Just move this tip up over here.
Tight. Stuck him, huh?
Yeah, I stuck him right away.
I got a tape.
Spreaders too, I think.
Make you bleed like a motherfucker.
Got it.
Huh?
What's up, folks? We just landed probably about a 27,
28.
6, 28 maybe. I would say 27, but about to get the hooks out of her, and there we go. What does his daddy have to say about this, honey?
Kid's nuts, man. Kid's just nuts. My feet are frozen.
We're driving out here in a motherfucking snowstorm. My man stick 4 fish for Lake Linker. He's the star of the hour. We're trying to drive, but it's a little difficult this morning. Look at that crazy shit. You had your foot out, man. You had your
Just trying to get over the hangover, dude.
This guy has been drinking all night long.
Just a little bit.
A little jack.
A lot of jack.
I came from the club, folks, straight to the fucking car to go to the lake. No sleep. Mover one.
Jack and Shack Top.
He was up for a bit last night watching a little movie too.
Yeah, watched Real Steel and Ridiculousness with Rob Deerdick. Pretty fresh.
And stick a fish. He said he got a couple hours maybe, huh? How many hours, man?
Huh?
How many hours sleep?
2.5.
2.5. So we're all going on about 2 hours apiece, driving through a fucking snowstorm.
We're taking a nap on the ice.
Yeah, we might nap on the ice and my alarm might awaken me. Well, stay tuned for that. We got Zachary. Scored a pike again.
Didn't get skunked today.
Hey, he didn't get skunked. Last time he did, he got his revenge today.
Yeah. Ain't very good. It's a fish.
Got the first flag of the day for Boober. First of the year, actually. Finally got one going. Noon after noon. Once again. See what he got here. What's going on there, Boober? Feel decent? He's ripping line. He's ripping line big time. Score, Boober! That's all, folks. We got Boober.
Nice little pike here. Little snake. Deep water. We'll take it. We'll put her back real quick because it's bleeding pretty good.
You want a picture or no? So, folks, we got Boober 1 here. Another fish again, the same hole. And the dead big. So, what are you thinking, Boober?
Going off fucking slow, dude.
It's rolling.
Oh, it's going that way, too. Oh,
got the lucky hand today. Got a little guy, 26 incher. Go back to the depth to grow to a 40 fucking incher maybe.
I'm setting it too hard.
I think you should try again. This time just wait a little more. Let him try, just wait a bit. I think you just gotta wait longer, so. You're just now eating it, you know what I mean? Once it starts going again, you should be able to hit him.
Now?
Just a swift.
Hit him now?
Not yet, not till he goes
Wait
again.
until he starts moving again.
There's something
stuck.
Yeah. Something stuck.
No, it's going now.
It was me.
See?
That's just the wind pushing the tip up. Sully's gonna try for another strike here, folks. He already had a couple strikes out, so he's gonna try to score.
3 strikeouts. I'm already out.
He's already out the game. Hopefully this one go again. It
How about
was
a
going.
muskie? Muskie be nice.
It was going pretty good.
The fuck, did he drop it again?
Was that?
Oh my God, this thing's gonna be firewood by fucking today if I don't fucking hook a fish.
9 points inside.
Sit.
Decent one. There it goes.
Little chubby guy.
Yeah.
No. Just about it.
Yeah, go ahead. Hit him, grab the line and hit him.
You got the tip right here. At least fucking 33, 34, 4-inch fish.
This will be my biggest pike booty ice.
Yeah. See what happens when the jockey dude, we need a gap. This is fucking huge.
Oh, wait, and I'll pull his head up, pull his head up, pull his head up. Come out! Oh!
The bitch came back the very next day. Oh, the bitch came back. Thought she was a goner, but the bitch came back. She couldn't stay away.
Stuck in the lead or what?
Go up.
Here?
Yeah. Nope.
It's always the same there off.
No, it is off.
Is it?
Yeah.
Sure about that? Not a second for being off. I don't think he's off. Oh, yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's a fucking fight. I thought he was off there, Sally.
I need a handle on this reel.
No real hand, mono,
Some
mono y mano here.
real Eskimo. Man, it's hard to gauge. You don't know.
Yeah, I know. The big ones sometimes come real easy at first, and then all of a sudden when they figure they on the hook. Come close to your hole, man. It's right there. That's a really nice. Yeah. Hell yeah. We got the big payback. Look at that. That's a fucking 40.
That's big fish.
That's a 40. That was the one that you thought.
Busy.
The one that you thought wasn't there. No, he's not there.
Hell yeah.
Giant.
Pipes.
What's up, folks? We just got a super tanker. This is the one we've been looking for all year. And the rookie of the year, Sally, connected connected with a 40 inches on the dot. She's shitting a little bit right now.
Thank you, busy. I would never been out here without you, baby.
Oh yeah, this is what we came to look for, 40 inches.
This baby's going back.
Yeah, she's going to go back to swim another day. We're going to show you that, in fact. Oh, stay tuned for the release, folks. They're up again for folks again.
Here you go, baby.
Check this out, folks. This is a 40-incher.
4-0.
4-0 we've been looking for all year, and Sully got it.
Oh.
Look at that fucking slob. Can't get no better than that.
I wish I had a scale, because this bitch is at least 25
She got
pounds.
the 18-inch girth on her, folks.
Look at that head, man.
Look at the head on her. Fucking beastly pike, that's the 40.
She's going back for breakfast, baby.
Yep, put these girls back.
This is how you do when you're a fucking fisherman.
Yeah, real fisherman.
No pickle in this motherfucker.
Right.
See you, baby.
Score.
Busy got the 31 here. He's got nice girth, nice fish.
Chunky 31-incher.
Took off like a torpedo.
This guy looks like a baby compared to South.
Time to swim another day.
But
check it out. Here comes the release, baby.
Jump on. Fight another day.
Oh, God.
Howdy.
I'm the strongest man alive. The strongest specimen that you have ever laid eyes upon.
Really?
And I fling treble hooks like the devil flings flames to the wicked.
Mr. Queen, what do you think about your pike experience on the Big D?
It's pretty swell. Pretty swell.
What do you think about coming back to the spot in future references?
I'm going to have to give it some serious consideration.
Stay tuned for the minutes.